Is it possible to lose your love handles in 28 days? Yes. 1 month is enough to slim your waistline. Start with Russian twist. Twist slow and control to hit the uplines. Add side plank dips. Lift your hips high and squeeze the sides. Finish with high knees. Drive your knees fast to burn fat to boost endurance. Medicine did it in 28 days with Photonomy. Now is your turn. Stop waiting. Crunches target the upper abs, helping you build definition right above your belly button. Russian twist fire up your uplines, shaping a tighter and waistline and stronger core rotation. Now leg raises hit the lower abs, perfect for flattening your lower belly and build deep core strength. Plank shoulder tap work your entire core. Keep abs tight, waist strong and posture stable. Do you want toned legs and lifted body? Begin with jump squats to activate everything. Move to glute bridge for a strong lift. Then add sideline leg lift to shape the sides. Medicine built hers with Photonomy. Now build yours. Lower back pain isn't just from lifting heavy weights. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Glute bridge done 3 sets 12 times. And cat-cow stretch done 3 sets 8 times. This improves spinal mobility and reduces stiffness from long hours of sitting. Bird dog 3 sets 10 times per side. Child's pose stretch 30 to 45 seconds, hold 3 rounds. Gently releases tension in the lower back and lengthens the spine. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. It is possible to remove the stubborn thigh fat in 28 days. Try this. Begin with sumo squats wide stance to hit inner thighs and glutes. Add curtsy lunges, cross back and down to sculpt your thighs from every angles. Next, mountain climbers, drive your knees fast and burn calories and fire up your cores. Finish with jump lunges, explosive cardio that burns fat while shaping muscles. Ashley toned her legs with Photonomy. Now is your turn. Train hard, stay consistent, and remember, fat loss happens with a calorie deficit. All these exercises will help you stay healthy. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in my next video.